Have you ever walked into an interview room and felt your heart beating really fast?
Hmm. Yes, it feels like everything suddenly becomes so serious.
And by the way, this English listening conversation is from JA Info Urdu, so subscribe now to improve your English.
Yes, practicing like this really helps before real interviews.
So today, let's do some job interview English conversation practice together.
Well, that sounds useful. I really need this kind of practice.
Tell me honestly, what scares you most in an interview?
I'm afraid I'll forget my words and get confused.
That happens to many people, but confidence comes with preparation.
I agree. When I prepare well, I feel calmer.
Let's start simple. How do you introduce yourself in English?
Well, I usually say my name, education, and a little about my skills.
That's good. Keeping it clear and short is important.
Yes, long answers sometimes make me nervous.
What do you say when they ask about your strengths?
I try to talk about my hard work and communication skills.
Nice. And do you give examples with your answers?
Sometimes, but I think I should do that more.
Examples make your answers more powerful and real.
Wow, that's a great tip. I'll remember that.
How do you respond when they ask about weaknesses?
That question always makes me uncomfortable.
You can talk about a small weakness and how you're improving.
Oh, that sounds smart. Not too negative.
Exactly. It shows honesty and growth.
Yeah, I like that approach.
Do you practice speaking before interviews?
Well, sometimes in front of a mirror or with friends.
That's perfect. Practice really builds confidence.
I can feel that when I practice more.
If this helped you, subscribe to JA Info Urdu for more English listening practice.
Yes, subscribe to JA Info Urdu and prepare yourself for success.
Let's meet again with another helpful conversation soon.
Inshallah, see you next time, and good luck with your interviews.